Hold on, Carlinton. You see them man you know? Them man you creativity. You see what I say? Them man you are the dopes.
That sound like God.
Let me test the speakers. Hype! Me can't do it like you, dopes. Come in. Can't do it tough like.
Don't know.
Hype!
Yo, this is the remix, you know, so get used to it. Yeah, I go. Yo, me say, what you looking at? What you staring at, yo? What you looking at? Where you look on, yo? What you looking at? What you staring at? Yo, I'm tell you about your blow. Now listen, there's only one Benzly Hype and there will never be another. Anyone of you can do what they must. Yo, uptown, downtown, crosstown. What am I trying to hold it down? Nah, go work, you know. Real track like your boss gunshot. I want to. Yo, Ben Screw. Fresh from Ferry. So them say, you see, so me say Carlinton. The remix. Hey yo, Mr. What you looking at? What you staring at, yo? What you looking at? Where I look on, yo? What you looking at? What you staring at? So I'm tell you about your blow.
Listen, there's only one Benzly Hype and there will never be another. Anyone of you can do whatever to them mother, them brother, them sister, cousin, auntie, really doesn't matter. Yo, you never be good enough because I follow you a bala.
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me feel
hype. Yo, you wanna be me, wanna see me, dressed like me, yo, every day me dip on TV, yo.
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me look
hype. When me I'm in new car, boy a school star, but me cool star, come on a big superstar. Well, I'm the one strong a dread kid, highly connected, so damn respected. I'm splendid when I get erected. Females I sleep with, always protected, never contracted any disease or any coochie fleas. Girl up the ball and bleed upon them bended knees. I want to eat me wrong like I'm a Reese's. Please, no fighting for my feces, cause
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me feel
hype. Yo, you wanna be me, wanna see me, dressed like me, yo, every day me dip on TV, yo.
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me look
hype. When me I'm in new car, boy a school star, but me cool star, come on a big superstar. Yo, me say me no know how them female ya get me sell a little number, but them a buzz me on me phone and they on me flipping Twitter about them on me number one fan, yeah, them on me secret admirer, want to strip me down and jump on me butt.
Things get tight.
Cause I'm a mirror, can't you see yourself in me? I'm a reflection of the world that is around me.
Listen, yo. From the north to the south, to the east, to the west, from the rich to the poor, to the cursed, to the blessed, when I got shot, boss, nuclear. Yo, my people. Yo, I'm a little asthma, but you don't know, you know. Chest are tight, but listen.
Cause I'm a mirror, can't you see yourself in me? I'm a reflection of the world that is around me.
Yo, from the north to the south, to the east, to the west, from the rich to the poor, to the cursed, to the blessed, when a gunshot costs from a nuclear threat, straight from across the seas to your bulletproof. Yo, is this my life? Is this my death? Too much cable TVs like a terrorist threat. Poisoning minds like nicotine cigarettes. Putting money over love, sex over respect. Putting oil over life, appetites of the flesh. Everybody done see it, Mr. Bush. You need to come in and Jamaica, live a day and I'm a flex. Your life just hard, why man must why juggling up a grand, why man bust text. If you under 35, you under so much stress. Opportunities limited, unlimited set. Ratio 10 to 1 a maca.
Cause I'm a mirror, can't you see yourself in me? I'm a reflection of the world that is around me. You are a mirror, can't you see your world in me? I'm just reflecting all this.
Yo, the party one we got to school, hear me? Remember, you miss the haunting minds, haunting melodies, haunting words, haunting memories. Recollect, recall, yo, remember me? Black best friend when I was 10 plus 3. High gun for the dads when me in me car key. Crew up 9 in my bag. Nobody never see. In the chopper stand up park low key. But you me here at all. Here comes the VP. But never like him, man. Him never like me. Come here to my boy. Want for this me. Girl, me na my chest crush up my car key. In front the whole school, I'm a girl Kiki. You made us raging on my back. Squealing. 1, 2, 3. This verse coming to you from GP. You could be me. Yo. It's a brand new thing. John knows. A workout. Brand new thing. Get used to it. Yo, uptown, downtown, roundtown, crosstown. What am I trying to do? Hold it down. Nah, go work, you know. Yo, Brook Valley, Sherlock. Ben Screw. Let me say, see if you got shotgun, Falcon. And the peace thing. Here you go. Listen. Yo, we no care who you be. Stop this dance party. We got the guns, them lock. Yeah, these are just bust one shot and you'll see. Yo, we no care who you be. We no care from which party or the girl them fat. Yeah, the man want look some non. Yo, watch a man. So when we roll up with your crew and things step in the building, yo, the whole place quivering. Man a boast about ice and ring when them sight the real bling, yo, the whole place quivering. Benzly Hype back in the system, yo, when we are gonna sing, yo, the whole place quivering. Brook Valley, Sherlock, what's the new thing? Quivering, shivering at the way that we deliver. Yo, I'm just chilling, not be no villain. Cooling with my, yo, lo. We're getting a cappella, listen. Blood. Yo, all it up. Yo, people. My God. Yo, I think the bronchitis is not united. I mash me up, but I have to come represent the same way. You see me? Lick it back, because you don't know it going on. Yeah. We saying the quivering are the new thing. All the man from Sherlock know that you know. They know that talk, your Brook Valley man know your bench school, you know it go already. See me I say? Yeah. It's quivering. Shivering. Yo, see you guys. Yo, we no care who you be. You can't stop this dance party or the girl them flock. Yo, this is just bust one shot and you'll see. Yo, we no care who you be. We no care from which party or the girl them fat. Yeah, the man want look some nah. Yo, watch a man. So when we roll up with the crew and things step in the building, yo, the whole place quivering. Man a boast about ice and ring when them sight the real bling, yo, the whole place quivering. Benzly Hype back in the system, yo, where we are gonna see the whole place quivering. Brook Valley, Sherlock, busting you. Quivering, shivering at the way that we. Yo, I'm just chilling, not be no villain. Cooling with my aunt, nephews, nieces, and little children. No gunshot, no killing. Just female willing to open up the cake so I can put in the cream filling. Never take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Y'all them a come out and you're the whole of them looking that pretty. Me and me virgin and doggy. I walk over valley when me look me see liquor, I sell and everybody happy. So we roll up with a crew and things step in the shotgun. You're the Jano. Yeah.
All right.
What I say?
All right, Benzly Hype is in the building, people. Of course, it is really hype, and I appreciate it. I know you're having a little problem here, but thank you very much. Can you imagine if you never had that problem, man? Gee whiz.
Yeah, you don't know what the season, you know, the Christmas season when the temperature get cold, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you seem warm, man. I don't know.
Yeah, there's sometimes it affect. You know the bronchitis come people. But anyway.
All right, people. You know what to do, especially the ladies out there. Send your text to 852-0003. Tell us what you thought about Benz's performance tonight. Please get involved. Send your comments. You'll see it on the TV screen. 852-0003. Tell us what you thought about Benzly. So Benzly, you're back from foreign, man. What's up? Tell us what you've been away doing, man. Let's keep the viewers out there informed.
Well, I've been working on my album. I'm finished my album now. You know, we're working on the album. I finished the album. You know, basically, that's what I've been doing. I'm doing some shopping. You know, some record labels up and down all over the place. LA, New York, the Scope, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, fa la 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 la.
I've been seeing you a lot in the papers, so I know a lot of things have been going on to Benzly. Well deserved. Now, tell us about the album. A little bit about the album. What's the title, and give us a feel of that album.
Well, right now the album is entitled Mirror. Seeing and work on the album. I produce most of the tracks. Sly produce couple. Nick Treble, from LA, from the Dirty Day. Don't even produce couple. That's a remix for Hype a while ago. What you want to know? Really and truly.
Benzly, you're all around a talented person. I hear you doing plays too. I hear you're a producer. I hear you're a technician. What don't you do? Tell me.
Well, we try to do like everything because in this game it's very hard to survive as just an artist alone. Because really, any artist, even Pepper was there a while ago. Pepper would tell us really and truly, money now make around here. You understand me? Wait for make. You understand me? So you have to be a jack of all trades, And I've been blessed to do some things from a younger age, thanks to my pops and certain people, you know what I mean?
can come through and play some instrument and do some stuff. Yeah, big up Slide Dunbar, same time, them little, you know, can go and organize some things, you know.
So they have been influential in your career and stuff.
Yeah, you know it go already. See the woman there. Hey, yeah, see what I say.
I mean, you still also drop on the Womba, you know.
Yeah, man,
you run still.
me and Neil don't talk about that already. That's
Neil, him a run. I don't know.
Yeah, man, we done. No, we seal up that, man. You know, me work on a little thing and so.
Now let's talk about Quivering. That's a really hot song. I love that.
Yeah.
Quivering. How you? What you mean? How you come up with that song?
Well, Quivering is a Ben Stark still. Ben Screw, Ben's man, them know that. You know,
Where's
Ricky Villa.
Ben Screw? For those who don't know, can you just tell us where Ben Screw
Yeah, the Ben Screw, you don't know Ricky Villa, Kevin Keegan, Spooky Ben, Zaga Benz, Ray Greens, Doggy Kids, Complex, Rambo Scratch, Gargamel, Chubby Dread, Dirtsman, Monster, Marco Bar, Philipate, Smiley Dread, Puta Spranger, Dilly Weedy, Willy D, Perma D, Ben G, Spooky King. The whole Ben Screw, you don't know Spranger Benz, you don't know Foundation.
My God.
Yeah, the whole Ben Screw, you know, so Ben Screw, anybody know the Ben Screw, you know, say Brook Valley with them that straight, and that's some originate from, you know. And you know, CM Crew, Spraga them, everybody was originally from LA Ben sound system. If you know your history, yeah. You see me I say so, you know, I have to pick them up. That tune is that thing where I talk the man up on the corner. Cause first time we have all to talk, you know. Fatulous, Buffalus and Sexless, a Ben Screw talk, Spraga up and you know. Newton him quivering, the man them say the place nice and the place quivering in the hype, shivering, the place is chilly. See me I say, everything nice. So Quivering is a peace tune really and truly, but we do it in a different type of way. When we say, you know, we say love take over the city, no more of the iniquity. Girl them a come out and you're the whole of them look cute and pretty. Me and me brethren him doggy take a walk go over valley. When me look, me see liquor a sell and everybody happy. Where we roll out, where we crow one. See me so. You don't know them time that they break that old man while I go have me, I tell you. Bronchitis. But differently, you see me. I saw it go. Yeah?
All right, now let's talk about you in the business. You're still a part of the Innocent Crew.
Yeah.
And the obvious challenges that you have faced, I mean, since, you know, stepping out, doing your solo career. Let's talk about that.
Yeah,
You're quite vocal about that, so can you tell us how you handle it?
Well, the business, as we were saying, the business, unfortunately, me killer talk about it on the radio the other day. I said, boy, it's unfortunate that it's not about talent too much anymore, you know what I mean? So basically that's basically the challenge, and I'm sorry for the young artists that come up right now, because you know say them not have the money to deal with certain things certain way, but them have the talent, and it's so hard when you have the talent but you don't have the money, but they still forget the thing them play, you need a whole heap of money, and the man them say, yeah, you need to get some money to give me some thing play still, but at the same time, if you not make no money, you can't give no money, so it's very hard. You see me I say, you know me I talk about Carlinton, you know what the ropes go. This is what I talk about. Them thing that's basically it, and at the same time some say, Benzly, way to rap, you DJ, you sing.
Yeah.
As me hear Marisa talk about a while ago. Which is because me as a youth, I try to make music that the world get it. You see me I say, it's good to the song. Ronnie, I see my brethren me I do whole heap of tune. I come back and a portion of man I do some tune and them not eat no food. You see me I say? It's hard, you see me I say? So if we want to make some tune right and we want to eat some food after the tune, you see me I say me do? That's how it go.
On that note, let's talk about Mirror, the hit single Mirror.
Yeah, that's the tune we make.
Right.
Them record company
I mean,
people there
what's the follow-up to Mirror? Quivering, what?
Follow-up, well,
I hear you have a song out there that's called TGIF.
Stress. Yes.
Yes, I mean, you want to give us a little taste. I think I want Benzly to give us a little taste on this TGIF. I've been hearing about...
Say, hold on, you know, say, I think we have a copy right here, you know.
You think you have a copy?
Yeah, so one can play it.
All right, in the meantime, while they look for the copy, Benzly, talk to us about the play. I hear you have a play.
Play? No, play.
No, it's a play. It's a docudrama. What is it? Can you explain?
What that? Oh, we have a thing that come up, man.
It's a movie?
Yeah, it's a thing.
It's a thing.
Yeah. I don't know. You didn't there.
No, Benzly, come on now. Come on. I'm in there. I tell you, man. Flair not in. Me no know. Let's talk to us about that play. Quickly. Give us a little.
Alright, I'll get a sneak peek of what it is. It's a sitcom.
Oh, it's a sitcom, sorry.
Yeah, it's a sitcom, I put it that way, and soon to be out, you know, starring me and the crew. Okay, you know me innocent, we did a night. You know, it's a reflection of my life story still, but you know, we flip it and it's funny, and you find our Professor Nuts tonight, and you find RG Reed tonight, and you find, we're not telling you too much, it's nice, you see me I say? It's a nice thing, you see me?
It's hype.
Yeah.
Just right.
You know this is hype thing it out of hand right now, you know. You know. Everything just hype now. You know what this? Why I'm going to
Even
hype?
the hairstyle people, the hairstyle is off the chisel. It's really hype. You really set the trend, Benzly. Now let's talk about performances for the rest of the year and 2K6. I heard that you really tore Miami up in September.
Yeah.
There was a major event on the beach in Miami and you tore it up. So let's yes, thank you, Aljo. Talk to us about that. I mean, major performances, upcoming performances, and so forth.
Yeah, well, Miami was very nice. You know, lots of Hispanics in Miami. Yeah, big up all the Puerto Rican girl them. Stay so. Yeah, we have a thing a line up quivering, so look out for it. Our thing name it's falling.
It's falling. What's that?
Yeah, it's falling.
It's what?
It gonna do damage. Something I say about that.
All right.
We organize that because what is happening now is that I'm organizing a remix video for Hype. Because it's like that tune coming like that, take off over us. So some people from
MTV?
No, some people organize something. So we just keep it crossed. More time is not good to expel everything. Sometimes the little demon out there ready to grab it and tear it up. You see me I say? The people know what I talk about. Yeah, so it go.
Alright, Benzly Hype, let's talk about the next year. What's the lineup?
Next year, so much question? Damn. Next year.
I mean,
next
come on,
year.
it's a hype thing, man.
Next year we're not gonna dance like the brother there behind us, so next year still. You know seeing people? Yeah. Next year we are go next year we're kicking off next year. We have the video come out, bam in them. The game plan. We can't divulge the game plan, you know. You understand me? But we just know say you look out for singles coming, lots of stuff. You understand me? The sitcom drop. You know that already. You don't know.
A lot of things.
A lot of other stuff. Innocent Crew album in the works. I'm saying miserable things are going. We have a single coming out and kick them down. Yeah.